Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check that your mobile carrier and plan support Wi-Fi calling and update your Realme phone software so settings match carrier requirements. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and make sure internet works by loading a web page. Now open Settings and search Wi-Fi calling. Tap it to start the activation flow. This first step is about preparing both network and device, so the phone can register properly with your carrier over Wi-Fi. You now enable and configure Wi-Fi calling. Go to Settings, then SIM and Network, and choose Wi-Fi calling. Toggle it on. Make sure you select the correct SIM if you use dual SIM, and set caller ID preferences so outgoing calls show the right number. If the phone asks for an emergency address, enter a precise location for 911 services. Also grant call and contact permissions, so the feature can route calls and display caller information reliably. To complete setup, place a test call and confirm you see the Wi-Fi calling icon in the status bar. That verifies registration. If it doesn't work, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, disconnect and reconnect Wi-Fi, then reboot the phone. Make sure airplane mode is off and your SIM is active. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. Often the carrier must enable Wi-Fi calling on their side for your number.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.